Hi, I'm Stacy Bird and this is AJ. AJ is going to be my guinea pig today to learn the Take a Break program. AJ has had some programming and might be taking this course in the fall, so I think this is a good test. So what we're going to do is choose a video, and we're going to have the web browser open it up every 2 hours to tell you and me that it's time to get away from the computer. So to do that, we're going to go into Python idle, and we're going to use a couple Python libraries and pull functions from those and use those functions to make this quick and easy but very cool program. So the first thing you're going to do is load in a couple libraries that we need. The first will be for the web browser, and to do that you type import space web browser, one word.
Web browser?
Yes. And then enter, and then you're going to type import time and a couple enters. Okay, so now all that's happened is we've loaded in information that we can then use. So the first thing we want to do is actually test to make sure we can open the video that you want. To do that, you're going to type web browser dot open parentheses quotation mark, and I think we're on the wrong keyboard.
It got all French. Ahem.
Do you want me to change
There
it?
we go.
There we go. Okay, so quotation mark. And then you're going to paste in the URL for the video that you chose.
All right.
And quotation mark. Perfect. Okay, so now hit enter and save this as anything that you want.
All right.
Perfect. Okay, and hit F5 and let's see if this will actually open up.
You guys say Colorado.
Excellent. Okay, so now we'll go back to Python. Okay, so now we have it open. Now we actually want to pause it.
Yeah.
To do that, we're actually going to use a time function, and we'll put that before the web browser .open. And what you're going to type is time.sleep and a parentheses, and then you're going to put a value in. Let's just say 5. This is going to actually be in seconds. So if we were to want to make this in hours, we'd have to multiply that 5 by 60 to turn it into minutes, and then another 60 to turn it into hours. Okay, so let's save and see if we actually can pause it. Oh, you know what? Actually change that to 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's save and wait for it.
Wait. 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 Wait.
And it's waiting, and it's waiting. And there it is.
You guys say Colorado.
Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to actually go back to idle,
Okay.
and we're going to put that into a loop that will allow us to call this 3 different times. To do that, we have to first set a variable to make a counter. And to
Okay.
do that, it's count. You're going to say count equals 0.
0.
Perfect. And now we're going to put everything, the time in the web browser, in a while loop. And to do that, you'll type while
While
count
count
is less than
is less than
3
3.
colon. And then you're going to hit enter.
Okay. Oops.
And you need to put the time and the web browser tabbed in, because that's how Python will know it's part of that loop.
All right.
Now we have that, but we have to actually stop the loop at some point, and to do that, you're going to put count right underneath webbrowser.open,
Okay.
and you're going to change it. So count plus equals 1, and that'll add 1 to it each time it goes through the loop. So let's save it and see if we actually can open this 3 times. Okay. And
Pause.
we
Pause.
wait. And we wait.
And pause.
And we-
Pause. And pause. And pause.
And it will open. Yes,
Yes.
that's number 1.
Okay.
And it should do this 2 more times.
You guys say Colorado.
Number
And
2.
Number 2.
You guys say Colorado.
Okay.
And number 3.
Number 3.
You guys say Colorado.
All right.
Okay, and let's go back. So now, just to let us know that this is about to happen, let's go just below count equals 0 and add
All
a
right.
line. It'll be a print command, so you'll type print space quotation mark, and then type your video is about to begin. Or maybe your video is about to begin in 10 seconds.
Your video will begin in 10 seconds.
Your video will begin in 10 seconds. That's good. In 10 seconds. Excellent, and save. And let's just see if that works.
There's the statement.
And
There are the seconds.
And
And
there's
there's
the
the
first.
video.
Excellent.
All right.
So all we would do then, if we wanted this to actually be 2 hours, is change the 10 seconds to a 2, and then add a multiply by 60, and you'd have this video interrupting you every 2 hours and telling you to get away from the program, the computer. And there we are.
All right.
Thanks, Udacity.
Thank you.